Have you ever heard that sprinkling salt on your mattress can do something incredible? I'm going to show you a mind-blowing, budget-friendly hack to lift tough, stubborn stains right out of your mattress using simple ingredients you already have at home. No expensive chemical cleaners required. Let's start by preparing our secret stain-lifting mixture. Grab a small to medium mixing bowl. First, we're going to add exactly 2 tablespoons of regular household salt. Salt is incredible for absorbing oils and breaking down organic particles. Next, go ahead and squeeze in a good amount of liquid dish soap. The blue kind works wonders for cutting through grime. Finally, we'll top that off with a splash of liquid fabric softener. Not only does this help condition the fabric fibers, but it's going to leave your entire bedroom smelling absolutely incredible. Now that we have our core ingredients in the bowl, it's time to dilute them. We don't want the solution to be too thick, or it will be incredibly difficult to rinse out of the fabric later. Carefully pour in 250 milliliters of clean water. Once the water is in, grab your spoon and start stirring. Take your time with this step. You want to stir thoroughly for a good 30 to 45 seconds. The goal here is to make sure that the salt crystals are entirely dissolved into the liquid and that the dish soap and fabric softener are fully integrated. You'll notice the mixture turning into a beautiful, smooth, bubbly light blue solution. This specific combination is a triple threat. It breaks down deep-set oils, lifts discoloration, and deodorizes the mattress surface, all at the exact same time. While our solution settles for just a second, let's talk about the tool you need for application. Before we touch the mattress, grab a clean, soft microfiber cloth. I highly recommend using a bright color, like this yellow one here. Why? Because a bright cloth makes it incredibly easy to see the dirt and stains actively transferring from the mattress onto the fabric as you scrub, giving you instant proof that the hack is working. Fold your cloth neatly into quarters so you have a flat, thick, and controlled surface to work with. This prevents the cloth from bunching up and ensures even pressure. Now let's get to work. Take your folded microfiber cloth and dip the edge of it straight into our light blue cleaning solution. You want the cloth to absorb enough mixture to be completely damp, but here is the most critical tip of the entire video. Make sure to squeeze out any excess liquid firmly over the bowl. Remember, we are cleaning a mattress here. We want to treat the surface fabric and fibers, but we absolutely do not want excess water soaking deep down into the inner foam layers, which can cause mildew. A damp, well-wrung cloth is exactly what you need to activate the cleaner safely. Locate those unsightly brown stains on your mattress cover. Using firm, steady, circular motions, begin gently scrubbing the solution into the affected areas. You don't need to press down hard into the bed. Just let the chemistry of the soap, salt, and microfiber do the heavy lifting. As you scrub, you'll see the discoloration start to lift away almost immediately. Once the stains are gone, just let the area air dry completely, or speed it up with a fan. Your mattress is going to look pristine and smell brand new. If you enjoyed this cleaning hack, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and try this out today. Comment hack if you're going to try this at home. See you in the next video.